Billyjack on location, this time at the Kalihi Pump House over on North King Street. This building's had my attention for quite a while now. Finally got over here to make this video on it. Of course, you can see the false foundation at the bottom here. And you got, of course, the stairs going up on this building. Very beautiful, old world looking lamps. Here's where it gets interesting. Got windows below ground. Board of Water Supply, Fred Oat Museum. I'm not aware of any museum in here. It looks all fenced up to me. Very interested how you can clearly see the level of the groundwork around here has been removed quite a ways out. This building appears to have been left while everything else around it was dug out, literally. I'm sure there's a lot more. Look how high up that fake foundation goes on there. And this very secure security fence. You can see this is what caught my eye way back here in the corner. It was just a raised elevation back here. Billyjack over and out.